Welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for plan. Today we have to see how to achieve image classification with the help of ResNet50 and with the help of FastAI here. So this is the foot classification data set. How we are going to categorize and predict the images with the foot name everything. So let's go for the Google Colab and I want thank for medium.com. Here we're going to see that one. So as of you the previous seasons I explained about the things about ResNet50 also. Here the thing is put 101 classifier using ResNet50 with the help of FastAI only. So before going that we have to get idea about this one. Here that is SOTA defense support state of the art here. Here these are the one helpful to achieve very high accuracy here. And here we have now the meaning of top one here. The top one means top one accuracy in sense it says about that means the model's first prediction is always correct. That's the meaning of top one here, top one accuracy. So here 88 stands for 88 out of, if you test 100 images, out of 88 it will predict the exact image of the foot. Based on the image it may say about something like bread or anything whatever there. And moreover for this one we are going to utilize the dataset called dataset also, where you have a 1 lakh images, that is foot 101 dataset. So and every 1000 class belongs to one single area like that. So this is the one, and we had know about FastAI. So FastAI in the one is the one high level of deep learning model library built top on the PyTorch only, and it comes with the salient features like data augmentation and work with efficiently transfer learning, and it will helpful to simplify the training and helpful to fine tune the deep learning model. Whatever the deep learning model, you can fine tune with the help of FastAI. So I hope that you have idea about this one. So as of you know, once you have a data set, what you can do, we can test and train, or so train the data set and test, or train the data set and validate the data set like that. So initially we are going to install the path library and FastAI. After we installing the Torch 1.5 version, and after that we are going to write the Python code with the help of Google Colab only, where you have a coding like import touch followed by definition function and unqueue function, reduce loss, class label smooth, and forward self also. So each and every have a code which is helpful to achieve the image classification. Okay. And image classification, generally image classification is the computer vision task, where helpful to classify the images based on the pixels. So after that we can go to assemble the data set from the link, where you have a link already from the Google or internet only. Here we can just now tell you where you can tar and untar and set the path and call the foot data set, where you can test the images, and we can do all the functions here. Then we can run the cell commands. That means it helpful to test and train the images easily. So we're writing the code. After that display some information like training 75,750 and followed by testing 25,050 like that. Then we are going to build the model. So here it just not we are going to use the FastAI, where it will in the inbuilt of the PyTorch here. Then we are setting the path, and we are checking the top one error, then train the path, and after that we may get the curve like this. We are saying about the learning rate and loss. So once we develop the model, initially the loss may be more, but after keep on training, the loss may reduce here. And learning rate also very important here. Then we are going for the check the training loss, validate loss, accuracy, top key accuracy, or loss time also. How much time to take complete all the process here like that. Then we can go for next one. We can give the another coding and check the learning rate. Again check the learning rate FOC value. It may vary based on the system speed and internet speed. Then we are going to give the data image list, where helpful to split the data, and then again we are checking, and again we are setting the FOC value and checking. So once you give the FOC value 5, it will generate like this. Once you give the 10, it will generate more like that. And then we are again checking the path, because these training and testing is very important. Approach value to make accuracy. Just now I told you top one accuracy in the sense out of 800, 88% it will say accuracy only, and correct. It will predict the image, that predict the image and cross everything correct only. Then if any misprediction also, it will resolve it. At last we'll get the output like this. So this is the one after execute the code, and we can achieve the image classification with the help of ResNet50, with the help of FastAI. So at last it display the information like this come under the category of cupcake, and this come under the category of risotto, like that. And ResNet50, as of you know, ResNet50 is one of the deep convolutional layer and come under the category of ResNet, where we can implement the ResNet with the help of transfer layering and anything with the help of the accuracy. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.